now I'm just getting mad because I think, I don't even know what I was going to say with that one, to be honest. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Maggie, and today I'm going to be doing an everyday makeup look. So this is what I usually would wear. I'll kind of, sorry. I'll kind of break it down for you guys if, let me actually turn this off because I don't want, it's in a group chat, so. Sorry about that. I kind of broke it down for you guys, like when I'm going out, if I'll do something a little bit different, but tonight this is kind of like the basics. This is what I will usually wear to school, so if you need a good back to school makeup routine, this is perfect for you. Sorry my hair looks like a disaster. I'm rushing to go to my friend's house, so I'm supposed to be there in 2 minutes. That's not gonna happen. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you like this look, and I will see you guys in like 2 seconds when I show you how to do it. I just put my skincare routine on. That wasn't even what I meant to say. But now we'll get started. I'm kind of in a rush because I'm supposed to be leaving in 30 minutes, or I'm actually supposed to be somewhere in 30 minutes. And my hair is not done, and obviously my makeup's not done. So I'm kind of gonna do this fast, but usually I do it fast anyways. So my headband is on. Sometimes I'll put my hair up. It's not always a headband. Not that matters, but let's just get started. This isn't technically makeup, but I always start out my makeup by putting some Aquaphor on, because then my lips are nice and hydrated. So that is the first step. I also don't wear that much makeup. I mean, some of you guys are going to think that's a lot, but personally, I feel like this is like not that much. I'm using the Skin Foundation Stick from Bobbi Brown. I'm in the shade Natural Tan, and I use this as my concealer when I'm tan. So I just use my finger. Sorry if I look down, that's just where my mirror is. Put it under my eyes and on any pimples or like blemishes, any redness really, because I put it around my nose also, because I get red around there. Also, I'm gonna do a skincare routine very soon, probably tomorrow actually. Don't quote me on that though, but I will do one soon. And the products that I use make my skin so nice and moisturized so that my makeup just blends right in, and I feel like that helps with making it look way more natural. And I'm trying to get my skin better, so I don't know if I want to do a skincare routine just yet, because I feel like to do a skincare routine, like, you need to show that it's working. And I mean, I have like decently good skin. Oh my god, there's a piece of dry skin right there, which is really annoying me as I'm talking about being nice and moisturized. I also like to put this on my eyelids just because I have really, really veiny eyelids, and it doesn't completely conceal it. That's why I like this foundation stick. And I never really use foundation, so this is perfect for me because I just use it as a concealer. But what I was saying is that my skin is pretty good. It's like whatever, like I have a few breakouts, but it's not like acne prone. So I feel like I could tell you guys my skincare routine, but at the same time I don't want to be like, oh, do what I'm doing. It made my skin go from being acne, like having acne, to being completely clear, because I'm still somewhere in the middle, and I never really struggled with acne. But let me know if you do want to see that video, because I will do it. And now I'm just using powder. I'm using the Too Faced, what is this? Skin Smoothing Pressed Powder. And I just take my little Real Techniques brush, and I put this wherever I put the concealer. Because since I do use a lot of hydrating, oh my god, there's a fuzz, sorry if that was in the camera. Because I do use a lot of hydrating skincare products, my concealer definitely tries to crease. So I gotta lock that in real nice. And if you're greasy anywhere, I would put that there as well. I have very dry skin. I just sweat. Like, that's my issue. If my makeup ever starts to like melt off, it's not because I'm oily, it's just because I'm sweaty. but I make sure that I pat down wherever my concealer is going, because that's like the most important part for me. Now sometimes I skip this step, but since I'm going out tonight, I'm gonna do it. And I take my cream contour stick by Kim Kardashian, and I'm using the shade medium, and I'll cream contour before I do powder. If it's for like school, or if I'm just like hanging out with my friends or something, I won't do this step, and I'll just use powder contour, or like bronzer. But I'm gonna take this MAC brush, it's the 159, and I just buff it out. And I always have to do under my neck, like I have to do my neck because I have such a bad double chin, just like genetically, and it's so annoying, so I have to try and get rid of that a little bit with some bronzer, or contour, excuse me. And you never want that like circle over your forehead, so always make sure you buff this into your hairline. And sometimes you gotta use your fingers. And then I always contour my nose also. That's like a big step for me. If I'm just like doing minimal makeup, I'll do concealer, mascara, and nose contour because I'm very insecure about my nose. So I like to try and help it out a little bit. Now that that is done, I go in with my powder contour. I use Hoola. It's Benefit, if you don't know what I'm talking about, Benefit Hoola bronzer. And I take this big fluffy Sephora brand brush, and it's the Airbrush powder brush. That was a lot of me saying brush all at once. And I just go over where I put my cream. And I like this because it makes me look tan, since my face is much paler than the rest of my body, just naturally. It's so annoying. So I buff that all over. And now my favorite part, I take this tiny little Morphe brush, it's Y22, and with the same product I go back in with my nose. And I don't do like the 2 lines, like the 11 that everyone does, because that's just never worked for me. What I do when I contour my nose is I just make it look like a little button. So I like go under here, and then I draw a little circle at the end of my nose. And I always have to blend it out with my finger because you don't want to look like you actually have a brown circle at the end of your nose. It just looks weird. Now I'm going in with my highlighter, and I used to always use this one. It's the Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo, and it's like the gold one, and mine's broken because I use it so much. I love this. Can you see it? It's just a really, really pretty gold, but recently, now it's like all over me. Recently I switched over to the MAC Global Glow Mineralized Skin Finish, and I think this is so pretty right now, so that's what I've been using lately. And I just take this stippling brush, like this tiny little stippling brush from, Sonia Kashuk. I got this so long ago. And I brush it on basically like a blush because my cheeks are so rosy. If you can't tell, I probably should wear foundation to help that out, but I don't. So I just put this on like a blush, and I love feeling glowy, and you guys might think I look sweaty or oily, but I like it, so whatever. And then I take a little bit with my finger, and my favorite part of my whole makeup routine is putting it at the tip of my nose. And then I take a little excess and put on my Cupid's bow. I don't know, whenever I put like an actual amount on my Cupid's bow, I think I look really weird. So I just take the excess. I actually never wear eyeshadow, like ever. If I do, I'll use like a rose gold. Sorry, that's really loud. I'll use a rose gold, and I like the Lorac Pro one. It's like this tiny little kit. What is this called? Trio. And I like this color a lot, but I don't think I want to do that tonight. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. The best eyelash curler I've ever gotten was from Forever 21, and I think it's because they're so cheap that like you could just bend them so far. Like I can literally touch that. This one I did break though. I've had it for like years though, and I just broke it recently. So now you have to like open it and then close it, if you know what I mean. It doesn't just pop open and then you close. You just like reopen it. Doesn't make any sense. I don't know, but I'm gonna curl my eyelashes using this. And curling my eyelashes is like the biggest part of me doing my makeup. I keep saying that about like everything I do. but it makes such a difference for me when I curl them versus when I just leave them natural and then put mascara on. Because I have naturally long eyelashes. Thank God for my Spanish and Italian genes for giving me a lot of hair. Gotta love that. But my eyelashes are pretty long naturally, and if I don't curl them, I just feel like they don't look as nice. So if you don't think your eyelashes look long, definitely try and curl them, and maybe try a eyelash curler from Forever 21. Now for mascara, I'm using the Telescopic. I'm pretty sure this is, wait, I'm really confused because I could have sworn I bought the one that was Dramatic. Okay, well, the case of the one I bought was the L'Oreal Telescopic Drama, but I guess it's not a thing, and this is just regular L'Oreal Telescopic. But like, my case said Dramatic. Maybe that's just what, oh my god. Maybe I'm just stupid, and that was just saying, sorry, there's like a hair on my face. And it was just saying that it makes your eyelashes look dramatic, which it does. But I really, really like this mascara. Well, my camera stopped recording, and I don't know what I was saying, but now I'm on to mascara, and I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic, and it works so well. This is a new one, so it's like super wet, and makes my eyelashes look so long. So I don't like it when like eyelashes are clumpy. I want spider lashes, which I know some people do not like, so I'm sorry if you hate the way my eyelashes look. Whenever I have a drier mascara, I just go in with my fingers and like rub it like that. But since this one's so wet, that'll just make them clumpy. I do not want that. Oh, but now they look really clumpy because I just put so much on by accident. Going with my trusty little Sonia Kashuk tool. One end's like this. And I'm combing them out because I just want my eyelashes to look like nice and separated and long. Come on. Of course it's not working while I'm filming. I'm going insane. Why can't they just both look like that eye? They usually do. They never turn out like this, and of course now that I'm trying to film, it's not gonna work. So, guess who's wiping it off? Well, now that that's done, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Sorry, it doesn't look good. Sorry, just had to. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of clear brow gel in, just because I don't need to add any color to my eyebrows, clearly. So I just stroke them out. And also this eyebrow gel is so dry, because it's like really old. And it doesn't really work. But it does a little bit of something, so whatever. I feel like that's my motto for this video. Whatever, whatever. For lips, I usually don't even do anything, but tonight, why not? I'll do a little bit of this Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm in Hibiscus. Because it just adds a little bit of color. I'm finally done. This is the makeup. After lots of stress, I did it. So this is what I wear. It's not a lot. It's actually, I keep looking in the mirror to make sure that I look fine. Sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. Sorry, I keep spinning. I'm in my spinny chair. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I know it's pretty basic, but if you guys liked it, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you like me, feel free to subscribe. And definitely please let me know any other videos you want to see from me in the comments down below. And all my social media will be down there and everything as well. If you want to check it out, you don't need to. I'm not that cool. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.